Hello student, this is a video of Max 1 lesson number 2 quadratic equations, and this is a video number 11 of the lesson quadratic equation. In the previous video I explained you about the nature of roots of the quadratic equation. Then we completed the next point, that is relation between roots of the quadratic equation and coefficient. After that we also completed to obtain the quadratic equation from the given roots, and now we'll see the exercise, that is 2.5, practice set 2.5. First question has 3 activity, very easy activity. You try to complete it. If you cannot, then I will help you. Question number 2 and 3 I showed you in one of the video how to do it. So try to complete the remaining examples. Today I will show you one example from the question number 4. Question number 4 is, form the quadratic equation from the roots given below. So I will take one example. Suppose the example number 2, that is one root is given 3 and second one is given minus 10. Question number 4 we are solving. Roots are given and asked you to form the quadratic equation. So here the 2 roots are given. So let us consider one root as alpha and second root as beta. So let alpha equal to 3 and beta is equal to minus 10. And then we know the relation about the 2 roots and the coefficient. So we will take the help of that. We will write and take about it. So first point, the relation, that is alpha plus beta is equal to 3 plus minus 10, and you get minus 7. Plus minus minus, bigger number sign. So the sum of the 2 roots is equal to minus 7. Here we have to form the quadratic equation. Yesterday I gave you one formula how to make the quadratic equation, and in the formula we need the sum of the roots and product of the roots. So we are finding it and keeping it one side. Then also we will take product. Alpha into beta is equal to 3 multiplied by minus 10, and the product which we get, that is minus 30. After that, now we have to find out we have to form the quadratic equation. So we'll see the required equation is I told you yesterday in previous video to learn this formula, keep it in mind. X square in bracket alpha plus beta multiplied by x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Now just you have to put the prices of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta in this equation. So we will say here x square minus alpha plus beta is minus 7x plus alpha into beta is minus 30 equal to 0. We will just calculate the think about the sign and calculate. So you will get x square minus plus 7x minus plus minus 30 equal to 0, and this is a required quadratic equation. This is the final answer. They asked you to form the quadratic equation. So this way we get the quadratic equation. It is very simple. Once again you see what you have to do. The given example is 3 and minus 10 are the given roots. So we have to use the formula, put the prices in the formula, and at ready-made quadratic equation will be in front of you. But which prices you will put in the formula? So first you will find out the alpha plus beta. So 3 plus minus 10 is equal to minus 7. Alpha into beta, 3 multiplied by minus 10 is equal to minus 30. And this is a formula, you can say. It is a quadratic equation actually. In this, if you put these prices, you will get the quadratic equation. We have with us alpha plus beta, we have with us alpha into beta. Put the prices in this. Just think about the sign and calculate it and write it down. Here the required quadratic equation is x square plus 7x minus 30 equal to 0. So let us see the example number 4 now. In the example number 4, the roots are given 2 minus root 5 and second root is 2 plus root 5. So let alpha is equal to 2 minus root 5 and beta is equal to 2 plus root 5. First we will take the relation of addition, that is alpha plus beta is equal to 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5. So when you will do addition, it is simple. Minus root 5 plus root 5 will be cancelled. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and so you get alpha plus beta is equal to 4. Secondly, we will take the product, that is alpha into beta. You can write here sum and here you can write the product. You can explain the example in your own words. So product is equal to 2 minus root 5 multiplied by 2 plus root 5. If you observe these are the factors. First, that is a minus b, and second a plus b. So according to that, a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So you can say 2 square minus root 5 square. 2 square is 4 and root 5 square is root 25. Its square root is 5. That means here the product is alpha into beta is equal to, the product is minus 1. 4 minus 5, that means it bigger number sign and it minus 1. So this way alpha plus beta is equal to 4 and alpha into beta is equal to 1. Now put the prices in the required equation. The equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Just put the prices in this. X square alpha plus beta is 4x, alpha into beta is minus 1, is equal to 0, and this is a required equation. So this way you try to solve the examples and complete the exercise. If you have any problem, you can ask me. I will solve your doubt in the second video. Thank you.